My name's Rachel Lloyd and we're at Homestead Nursery today in Gresford, Wrecsam. So we say that we're a Reggio inspired nursery. Our biggest inspiration from Reggio schools is our environment. The environment is the third teacher, so staff obviously support the children, parents and the wider community support the children, but our environment also supports them to be independent. And I think you can recognise a homestead room, a homestead space, because of what's in it, what's included in our environment. We think it's super important to offer children choice. The resources that we offer children as well, such as loose parts, open-ended resources, and also authentic resources. So we have real objects that the children play with. That shows that we value the children, that obviously supports their well-being, develops their confidence, which in turn develops their independence. We're always interested in looking at the latest research and putting that research into practice. So we've looked at children, obviously babies, their weaning stage. Really early on, children are encouraged to self-feed, so using finger foods. That then develops to our toddler children, and then that develops then to our oldest children who come into our cutch space, which is a dedicated eating space. So they choose if they want a pudding first, but then more often than not, they go and choose their food second. They go and sit with their friends, they choose which table they like to sit at, they scrape their waste off, they clean their own faces. So it's giving them choice in all of our environment, that's including feeding and meal times too.